Okay, guys, I got a great idea for a brand new heist. Right inside this building over, let's say right here, is the fabulous Hope Diamond, which I'm going to give you, Fujiko.
Really?
That's right.
Hey.
So, I figure we're probably going to need to go with the subtle approach.
All right.
Probably should drill the hinges off of a ventilator duct.
Oh, okay. That seems like a
Did
good
anybody
idea.
bring a drill?
I have a screwdriver. It's orange juice and vodka.
All right, I'm going to look in the trunk and see if I've got any tools.
Okay.
Like a drill or maybe a real screwdriver.
Oh, all right.
First, I'm just going to have to click open the latches. And then we open it up.
That's a pressurized trunk, then.
I gotta keep my tools vacuum sealed.
Oh, okay.
All right, I got a drill.
Awesome.
Everybody be quiet. I'm gonna go over the fence. I'm gonna take the screws out. So we're gonna find it. All right, here we go.
Did you not charge it
I
up?
don't think I did. Let's try it again. That battery's definitely dead.
You have any more batteries?
You know, I think I might. Let me go open my trunk again.
Click it.
I knew I was no battery.
Okay.
Well, let's give this one more try. Okay. I should have put the screw in there. Apparently I drilled a hole instead.
Hey, well.
That's okay, I can still get the vent. Why don't you yank the vent off? You're
All right.
muscle.
Yes. I hit my head! Ah!
Are you guys okay? Alright. We're getting there.
Okay. We are making progress.
That's right. We're gonna climb through the ventilation shaft.
Okay.
Alright.
I
Alright, we're inside.
forgot I was wearing my tap shoes today.
We're in the middle of a heist and you're wearing your tap shoes?
Well, you never know!
Is that why they call you Jigen? Because you're always dancing? You need new tap shoes or something bad.
Or he's just a bad dancer.
Alright. The diamond is coming. The diamond?
Okay. What was that? There's birds in here.
I think this place is haunted.
Okay.
Wait,
Where were we?
we were just about to analyze the case that the diamond is in. It's protected by some kind of sonic alarm. I keep hearing it go off.
Maybe we should stand back.
Okay.
All right.
We're going to need to get past the glass case
All right.
with a glass cutter.
Okay.
Where'd you go? You have a glass cutter on you. Excellent. How did you go cut open the glass case?
It's an aerosol glass cutter, apparently.
I don't want you to.
I'm sorry.
I don't want you to spray paint our graffiti tag on. I want you to cut the case open.